We consulted the community as well, which is important. We did a focus group and we wanted to listen to what the people of Tonypandy wanted. The whole town has supported us. We feel very loved by everyone. I believe that small businesses are the heartbeat of local communities, and I think if we want to see this place thrive, then we all need to buy in and we all need to play our part and shop local.
And I do think that after this, a lot of people will shop more locally because they've seen, what the benefits are and how shopping locally helps the local families rather than big industries, etc. Mainly we sell bridal dresses, beautiful bridal dresses, but we also sell all of the accessories that go along with that as well. So veils, headpieces, shoes, anything that really you need for your big day.
Normally we were trying to, you're trying to entice customers in, you're trying to drag them in, but it's now you just got to keep them out because they want to come in and they can't. So
yeah,
it is.
Embroidery and everything. We've done a lot for the NHS. That kept us going. People like contractors building the Nightingales hospitals. We did a lot of eye-vises and for the construction side of things. So that kept us busy, didn't it?
Yeah, embroidery has been very positive and the printing side of it. So
we've now created an environment where patients tell us they feel safe. This is important as many patients haven't left their homes for several months, so they're understandably nervous when they're heading out. During the pandemic, we've tried to examine and treat as many patients as we can to relieve the pressure on doctors and the local hospitals. A thriving and busy town benefits everybody. It's great for community spirit. It keeps jobs and money in the local community. You'll find it's a more personal experience and a much more friendly atmosphere.